Our story tidy life without TV the situation. Once again we arrived with a preacher to talk about a new.
Yes, my beloved, come and facilitate with you again. We arrived with some sermon so that we could talk about a new, funny story, like a sweet.
Peace, mercy, and blessings of God be upon you. How are you? What will my love tell you?
The Carson family, mom, dad, and teenagers Bill and Sue have been part of a big experiment. Every family in the experiment agreed to live for a month without a TV in the house.
During the month you have noted ways that family life has changed as a result. The Carson family have enjoyed the experience in a lot of ways. They have all talked and done more things together than they usually do.
However, the experiment finishes tomorrow and they must now decide something important. Do they want to continue without TV?
Or that they want to put the TV back in the living room and leave it on all days before? Might they put it in a better smaller room for people to watch and live in theory as special?
To meet for an upcoming episode.